In IoT systems, relays act as the bridge between low power control electronics and high power real world devices. A relay is an electrically operated switch that allows a microcontroller like an ESP32 or Arduino to control loads operating at higher voltages or currents. In a typical setup, the microcontroller outputs a low voltage signal, usually 3.3 or 5 volts, which energizes the relay coil. This creates a magnetic field that mechanically switches the relay contacts, turning an external device on or off. The key advantage here is electrical isolation. The control circuit and the load circuit are completely separated, which protects sensitive electronics. For higher switching speeds or silent operation, solid state relays are often preferred, while electromechanical relays remain cost effective and reliable for many use cases. Relays are widely used in IoT applications such as smart lighting, motor control, HVAC systems, and home automation. Commonly used relay modules in IoT and automation systems are single channel, dual channel, 4 channel, and 8 channel relay modules, which are selected based on the number of devices to be controlled. Few relay modules come with optocoupler isolation, which provide electrical safety by separating the control circuit from the high voltage load. Low voltage relays, 3 to 5 volt, are used in IoT systems. They operate with microcontrollers, making them ideal for home automation and student projects. Medium voltage relays, 9V, 12V, are used in industrial and automotive applications. They provide better noise immunity and are suitable for control panels and machinery. High voltage relays, 124V and above, are used in industrial automation and power systems. They are designed for PLC-based control systems. Each relay has 3 important contacts: common, normally open, and normally closed. When the relay is off, common is connected to normally closed. When the relay turns on, common switches to normally open. Let's connect a 4-channel relay module with an ESP32. The relay module has VCC, GND, and 4 input pins. Labeled IN1 to IN4 to connect VCC to the 5-volt pin of the ESP32 or an external 5-volt supply and connect ground. Then connect IN1 to IN4 to 4 GPIO pins on the ESP32. On the output side of the relay, each channel has COM, NO, and NC terminals. Normally open means the circuit is off until the relay is activated. Normally closed means the circuit is on until the relay is activated. Now, in the Arduino IDE, we define the GPIO pins connected to the relay inputs as output. To turn a relay on, we write the pin low or high depending on whether the relay is active low or active high. When the pin is triggered, the relay clicks and the load connected to that channel turns on.